In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Telegram chatbot with Chat ID in n8n. Let's dive right in and get started with setting up this automation. First things first, you want to begin by opening n8n. For those who might be new to this, n8n is a powerful workflow automation tool that enables you to integrate different services and APIs effortlessly. Once you have n8n open, the first step is to create a new workflow. This workflow will be the hub where we'll bring all the different nodes and functions together. After setting up a new workflow, the next step is to add a Telegram or Telegram trigger node. This node is essential because it will act as the bridge between n8n and your Telegram bot, allowing them to communicate with each other effectively. Now, to establish this connection, you need to create a new Telegram API credential. This is a crucial step in the process that revolves around setting up a secure and authenticated pathway for data transfer between Telegram and n8n. In order to create this credential, you'll need to have your bot API token ready. If you haven't generated one yet, you can do so by talking to the bot father on Telegram. Once you have it, simply paste your bot API token into the specified field in n8n and make sure to save it. Saving these credentials ensures n8n can securely talk to your Telegram bot. Moving on to the next step, we need to get your Telegram chat ID. This ID is necessary to route messages and actions to specific chats. There are a couple of ways to get this chat ID, but I'll walk you through the recommended method using the Telegram trigger. Within your workflow, add a Telegram trigger node once again if it's not already present. After adding this node, proceed to select your Telegram credentials from the options. These credentials should be the ones connected to your bot API token that you saved earlier. Now, it's important to set the updates field within the node to message. What this does is configure the node to listen for incoming messages, which is the update type we're interested in capturing. With these settings in place, execute the node. This action effectively runs the node to check for any incoming messages. When executed correctly, n8n will display details about the message, including the chat ID. Capture this ID as you'll need it for sending messages or performing other actions within Telegram. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional connection between your Telegram chatbot and n8n using chat ID. Remember, the key to keeping this process smooth is ensuring every detail, especially when dealing with credentials, is entered correctly. With your new workflow, you're ready to explore further automations and make your Telegram bot even more engaging and functional. Thanks for joining, and happy automating.